Since 2015, the United States Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or DARPA, has been investigating the prospect of using a modified Lockheed C-130 Hercules cargo aircraft to deploy and support Dynetics X-61 Gremlins unmanned aerial vehicles as microfighters. Should the test get the checkmark and see the aircraft carrier officially launched, it would enable the U.S. to deploy drones from motherships while still outside of enemy air defenses, allowing the drones to go on and engage targets before returning to the airspace around the mothership, to be recaptured and carried home for service or repairs.